Hello everyone. Today I am going to teach you narration, and in this part I am going to teach you assertive sentences. In previous video I taught you few rules of assertive sentences, like how can we change past present indefinite tense into past indefinite tense, present continuous tense into past continuous tense, present perfect tense into past perfect continuous tense, and present perfect continuous tense into past perfect continuous tense. In this video today I am going to tell you how can we change past tenses into indirect speech. Okay, first of all, subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that you can get all notifications of my videos. Okay, let's start the video without any delay. So students, today's first rule is that if reporting verb is in past tense and reported speech is in past indefinite tense, which tense? If reported speech is in past indefinite tense, reported speech if reported speech then if reported speech is past indefinite tense, then it will be changed into past perfect tense. In which tense you will change? Then you will change into past perfect tense. Reported, how can we recognize that this sentence is past in past indefinite tense or any other tense? For recognizing that, we should compulsorily find out that verbs form should be in second form. So if the verb will be in second form, then without any helping verb, then that sentence will be understood, will be recognized as a past indefinite tense. So this type of sentences we will change into past perfect tense. For example, I am written here examples already. So watch these examples carefully. First example is, he said to me, Ravi went to school. He said to me. This part is called what? Reporting verb, and this the tense of this reporting verb is in past tense. Okay, so we will change the tenses of these parts. Means reported speech, this part is called what? Reported speech, and the tense of this part is into past indefinite. As I already told you that how we can recognize that, how can we recognize that this tense is past indefinite tense? The verbs form should be into second form. So this is past indefinite because go, went, gone. This is the second form of go. So this tense is in past indefinite tense, and for making indirect of this tense, this sentence, we will write tense of past perfect tense. Then how can we make? Here is written, he said to me, said to changes into told. As I told you, this say into tell, tells into says into tells, to said to into told. Okay, so we will write in place of said to what? Told. He told me, and we will replace comma and 1 2 commas from the conjunction that. He told me that Ravi is a subject, and the how can we what is the verb? What is the form of the verb into past perfect tense? The form of the verb into past perfect tense will be third form of the verb, and helping verb is only one helping verb, that is had. In present perfect tense, there are two helping verbs, has and have, but here in past perfect tense there are only one helping verb, that is had, and verb's third form is used with this helping verb. So here we will write what in place of helping verb? What? Had. of this went, and a third form is the gone. Go, went, gone. So what will be made of indirect of this sentence? Ravi had gone to school. I am repeating this example again. So watch carefully. Went is in second form, means this part of sentence is into past indefinite, and this part will be changed into past perfect. Why? Because here is the reporting verb tense in past tense. So, and the past perfect tense helping verb is had, and verb's third form is used with the had. So we will write here Ravi had gone to school. Okay, this is clear. Next example is Mohan said Ronnie slept on the cart. Mohan said Ronnie slept on the cart. We'll stop. Inverted comma close. What will be indirect of this sentence? Mohan said that Ronnie slept. Here is slept into second form. So this is the past indefinite tense, and then we will write here also what? Past perfect tense helping verbs and verbs of third form. Helping verb Ronnie had, because here is only one helping verb had. So we'll write here only had slept, because this is sleeps third form is also sleep. So for second form is slept, and sleeps third form is also slept. Had slept on the cart. Full stop. So next rule is past continuous tense changes into past perfect continuous tense. Your next rule is what? If reported speech is in which tense? Past continuous tense, then it will be changed to past perfect continuous tense, means the last tense of the past tense. Which tense is last tense of the past tense? Past perfect continuous tense. So let's come to change this sentence into indirect speech. So let's come to example. Sorry. Here we can take example. Ruchi said to her mother, her friend was going to Shimla. Okay, this is the Ruchi said to her mother. This is the reporting verb, and this part is what? Her friend was going to Shimla. This part is in reported speech. That is, what is reported speech? That part of the sentence that is into double inverted commas, that part is called reported speech, and that part which is in single inverted comma, that is which is before comma, that part is called reporting verb. I think this will be clear for you. You should know that which part is reporting verb and which part is reported speech. Let's come to make this sentence of indirect speech. How can we make of this direct sentence into indirect speech? Because this part is into past tense, so we will change the tense of the reported speech also. Ruchi said to change into told, because here is the object of Ruchi. Told her mother, and the comma and inverted comma will be replaced by the conjunction that, because this sentence is a assertive sentence. In assertive sentence you will use only one conjunction, that is called what? That. mother that her friend, here is was and verbs of first form plus ing, means this tense is into past continuous tense, and past continuous tense will be changed into past perfect continuous tense according to the rule of this, according to this rule. Rosie told her mother that her friend, then if past continuous will be changed into past perfect continuous tense, then what is the helping verb and which form of the verb will be used into past perfect continuous tense? The helping verb of the past perfect continuous tense is what? Had been. Her friend had been going to Simla. Her friend going to Shimla. Okay. I'm going to write here another example of this rule. They said to his friend, we are friend. They were going to market. The tense of this part means reporting verb is in past tense, so you will also change the tense of the reported speech. This part is also called what? Reported speech. And the rule is saying that if reported speech tense is in past continuous tense, then you will change that tense into past perfect continuous tense. So according to the rule, we will make of this sentence into indirect speech like this. They told his friend that they, here is were, that is past continuous tense, and the helping verb of past perfect continuous tense is had been. They, only one helping verb is of past continuous tense, past perfect continuous tense. They had been, and verbs first form plus ing will also used here. They had been going to market. Okay. These two rules were of past tense. It is most important, as I told you before, that past perfect tense and past perfect continuous tense will not be changed. They will be written as same. For example, today's rule third is, if reported speech is in past perfect tense or past perfect continuous tense, then there will be no changes, then there will be no changes in the tenses of the tenses of the reported speech. They will be written as same. For example, Radha said, her mother had gone to market. Her mother had gone to market. This part is into past perfect tense, no? So you will not change the tense of this part. You will write indirect of this sentence like this. Radha said that her mother had gone to market. You will use only conjunct from that, and if necessary the other things will be changed like person, like number, but you will not change tense of the reported speech. When if the tense of the reported speech will be into past perfect tense. Then next example. Direct speech. I am writing here direct speech. Manish said to his sister that he had been I'm telling you about this part. He had been going to museum. You will write indirect speech like this. Manish told his sister that he no changes in the tense of this part of the reported speech that he had been going to museum. Okay, so this was today's video, today's chapter, today's topic. In next video we will meet again. Thank you.